metal building. It's a 60 by 80 that I use for a construction company and then for personal uses. When I originally started the project, I didn't know whether I was going to build it with wood or if I was going to use metal. But I had some particulars I wanted. I wanted the 412 roof pitch with overhangs, so it looked more like a wood frame building. And so my search began, and ultimately I was going to build it with wood so I could get that look. Having trouble with metal building companies wanting to give me a flatter roof line, but I do have a more clear space inside. Anyways, heard about this company from some other jobs we were pouring concrete for. After further study and some calls, I was able to relatively easily find the building the way I wanted it, relatively easy. And then it was affordable. We decided to put in a Munchkin floor heat, a Munchkin boiler. And this is the boiler itself and all the components, and then the lines going into the concrete, which needs to be designed from the beginning, from the get-go, because those have to go into the concrete. Got 1.5 inch insulation underneath the concrete to help keep the heat on top. We also built the living quarters in this facility because it's out on our land where we want to build someday, and so we want to live in this building while we're building our house, which will be probably a 3-year process. To insulate the building in order to speed things up and then give us better R value or better tightness, we went ahead and sprayed it with foam insulation, a 2-inch rigid insulation, which was quite a bit more expensive, but Phil was really worth the value, and it's made the building very rigid, more so, and it's nice and quiet, and the strong hand just wins. And my plan for the building is we own a construction company and we use it for multiple uses, for working indoors in the wintertime to just equipment storage. Now that it's up, I feel very good about the building. It's very good quality, and really enjoy this building. Ultimately was able to achieve both things I wanted, which was a tall ceiling inside and the look on the outside of a steeper roof pitch with overhangs. That's how I got to this point.